Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover software with Adobe Creative Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover software using Adobe Creative Cloud, begin by launching the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your computer. If you don't have it installed, visit the Adobe website to download and install it. Once the application is open, sign in with your Adobe ID and password. On the main dashboard, navigate to the Apps tab. Here, you'll see a list of all Adobe applications you have installed. Locate the application you wish to recover. If the application has been uninstalled or is missing, look for the Install button next to its name. Click on the Install button to start the recovery process. The application will begin downloading and will install automatically once the download is complete. If you're looking to restore preferences or settings, locate the specific application in the list and click on the gear icon or three dots next to it. Select Manage from the drop-down menu. From the Manage options, choose Remove if you want to completely uninstall it. Once removed, you can reinstall it following the same steps. If you're facing issues with the installation, try logging out of your Adobe account and then logging back in. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable, as a shaky connection can interrupt the installation process. For additional support, you can visit the Adobe support page for detailed instructions. After installation, verify that the software is working properly by launching the application. Explore the application to ensure all features are functioning as expected. If you encounter problems, consider clearing the cache within the Creative Cloud application. Finally, keep your Adobe applications updated to avoid potential issues in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.